Hi guys, I literally just came inside to figure out what was for dinner tonight and the doorbell rang and my every plate box just showed up. So now I don't have to figure out dinner. Let's go outside and grab it. Now I did get to choose the meals that are in this box, but it's still a lot of fun to pop it open and see what's inside. We personally order 3 meals a week and we are a family of 4, so we get 4 servings. Before I share with you what's inside this box and also these 3 delicious meals that we get to cook as a family this week, I want to tell you a little bit about every plate. It is, of course, obviously a home meal delivery kit service. You get to pick all of your meals, which you can do on their app or online. Every plate basically does all of the planning, prep work, and shopping for you to take the guesswork out of cooking. It definitely doesn't hurt that they're also about half the cost of your typical meal delivery services at only $4.99 per serving. They're even offering my viewers an even bigger discount where you can get 3 weeks of meals for only $2.99 per serving. Now let me show you the 3 recipes that came in this box along with all of the ingredients, and then we're actually going to cook one of these meals. Alright, so I think today we are going to do party time steak, and it also comes with garlic ciabatta and roasted green beans, but in this box also was roasted bell pepper flatbread with creamy tomato sauce and mozzarella, and also skillet apple pork chops with roasted sweet potatoes and zucchini. That looks delicious. Pork chops are my favorite, but I know the family is definitely going to enjoy this party time steak, so that's what we're going to make today. So here's a quick little tip. This box, it has handles on the side, comes out of your every plate box. And what I do is I put all the ingredients in the box for upcoming recipes. So the ones we're not doing, I put those in this box, and then I put this box into the refrigerator. That way everybody knows that this box is off limits. Like, there's apples in here. I can see my son trying to come in and having an apple. That way everyone knows, do not dig in this box. I just put this in the refrigerator and then it's ready for the upcoming recipes.
The very first thing I do is read over my recipe and all of the directions before prepping my ingredients. I am dicing up 2 teaspoons of thyme here. I also cut 1 shallot into wedges and diced another shallot, and I also minced 2 cloves of garlic. Here I am slicing my ciabatta rolls in half and then cutting those halves into triangles. I set those aside. We'll be using those a little bit later. Next, I rinsed my green beans and added them to a foil-lined baking pan and added my sliced shallots on top of those. I drizzled the green beans with a little bit of olive oil. I also added some salt and pepper on top before popping them into the oven at 425 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. The steaks were super simple to make. I just added some olive oil to a medium heated pan before adding my salt and pepper seasoned steaks. You just want to let these cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side. About this time, the green beans were ready to come out of the oven. I just put those in a separate dish so we can reuse the pan. Here I have a mixture of garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, and olive oil, and I just put that in the microwave to melt it. And then I put the ciabatta rolls on that baking sheet and drizzled them with this yummy, yummy seasoning. I let the rolls bake for about 3 to 5 minutes, and while they were in the oven, I started working on the pan sauce. So here I am adding the diced shallots, the thyme, and also some olive oil to a pan. Let those cook for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding a half cup of water, along with the concentrate, the beef concentrate that comes in your every plate box, and let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see I've added my ciabatta rolls, my green beans and steak to my plate, and topped the steak with that yummy and delicious smelling pan sauce. This was such a quick and easy recipe. It only took about 30 minutes to make, which most every plate meals do. Make sure to check the description box to the link to the coupon code, which will get you 3 weeks of meals for only $2.99 per serving. And that way you can receive your own every plate meals that are also super quick, super yummy, and super convenient. Please give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.